How to add music bot to Discord server. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can add music bot to Discord server. The first thing you need to do is open up Discord on your laptop or PC and log into your account. Now head over to your server, then click on the server name. Now select app directory. In the search bar, type Jockey and press enter. Click the first result, which is Jockey Music. Now click Add App. Open the server drop down and select your server, then press continue. Now click authorize. Then complete the I am human check, then click go to server. Now look at the right sidebar. You should now see Jockey Music added to your server. Now you want to open up any web browser and search Jockey Music commands. Open the command website to view all available commands. Now the basic one is to play the music. For that, head over to Discord. Here you want to type in !play space. Now enter the link of the song. To get the link, you can open Spotify. Now search for the song that you want. Then click the three dots. Now select share. Now select copy link. Now paste that link after the command. Press enter and the bot will start playing the music. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.